Yan ako, ma'am. Yan ako.
Yan.
To our beloved school principal, our guest speaker, a moment, our school directors, our department heads, member of the faculties, proud parents, and the fellow graduates of Plaza Academy. As we gather here today, let us also take a moment to express our gratitude to our faculty and staff who have guided us and nurtured these bright minds. There are great dedication, patience, and guidance have shaped us not only as students, but as individuals who are ready to face challenges. They inspired us to dream bigger, encouraged us to persevere when the journey seemed too difficult, and reminded us that our work is not measured solely by grades, but by the courage, values, and resilience we carry forward. Truly, their role in our success cannot be measured only by achievement. They have contributed in each of us the strength, the wisdom, and the character that will guide us in every step of our lives. And today, as we celebrate our achievements, we see the awards, certificates we've been waiting for. And as not just even these as awards, but as proof of everything we worked so hard for. Because these are not just papers. They represent all the hard work, the pressure, the sleepless nights, and the moments when we feel like giving up, especially for people like me who have struggled with stress and self-doubt. The moments when we ask ourselves, kaya ko pa ba? Makaka-pressure ang daming gagawin? Or kulang pa ba ang effort ko? And in this moments, we feel like no matter how much we do, it's still never enough. There were days when everything felt overwhelming, but even in those moments, we were never the only ones carrying the weight. To our mama, papa, and guardians, thank you for all the sacrifices you made for us. Na kahit wala naman nila sa inyo, kahit puyat at pagod kayo dahil sa trabaho, at sa kakaisip ng mga kakailanganin namin, and for believing in us even when we doubted ourselves. Thank you for your endless patience, your unwavering love, and for always putting us and our dreams before your own needs. Hindi man namin natin sasabi, pero nakikita namin ang lahat ng effort mo. And we are truly grateful from the bottom of our hearts. Give thanks to God for guiding and blessing us throughout this journey. May He continue to grant us wisdom, strength, and perseverance as we face the challenges ahead. May His love and guidance stay with us as we embark on new journeys and pursue our dreams. And we will truly always trust in His perfect plan and timing. To Him be all the glory and praise. And to my classmates and friends, I'd like to share that this batch has been a remarkable experience, and I'm grateful for the band we formed. There were times when we were the only ones relying on each other, and that multiple sport created a sense of unity among us. As we pushed through the challenges and celebrated wins, we became more than just classmates. We became more close to one another. And it's just those moments of trust and openness that led to unforgettable memories. We loved and supported each other, and grateful for the comfort and teamwork we built. And I'm glad to have been part of this journey with you all. We made it here, and it's because of unwavering support from our faculty, staff, and loved ones. We worked hard, laughed together, and grown as individuals. We formed unbreakable bonds and created unforgettable memories. The lesson here is that success is not about achieving goals, but about the people who help us along the way. As we move forward, let's remember that we are the proof that the youth is the hope of the nation. As Jose Rizal said, ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. We won't let that hope fade, and we prove that the youth is indeed the hope of the nation. Again, congratulations, batch 2025.
Thank you so much, Ms. Marga Zezena Bernal from the grades and class with high honor.
And now, the grade 12 class